Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the cut and setting humidity, so you control flavor and texture. Pick a 1-1, 5 lb piece like sirloin or ribeye, trim loose fat, then pat it bone dry. Season heavily with salt and pepper 30-60 minutes ahead to draw flavor in. Once done, let the pan heat to 425 degrees and add 1 tablespoon oil. You want immediate Maillard contact. Move quickly now. Searing begins within seconds and sets the crust and core flavor. You sear both faces to build that caramelized crust, 2 to 3 minutes per side on high heat, no crowding. Once you see deep brown, reduce heat and add butter, smashed garlic, and thyme. Baste for 1 to 2 minutes to infuse fat-soluble flavors. If thickness exceeds 1 inch, move the pan to a 375 degrees oven to finish. Target 125 degrees for rare, 135 degrees for medium rare. Use a probe thermometer. You must rest the beef 8 to 10 minutes on a wire rack so juices redistribute and the meat firms for cleaner slices. Slice across the grain into even pieces. You'll get a tender bite and consistent texture. Serve with pan jus or a knob of compound butter to amplify richness. If something goes wrong, like it's overcooked, slice thin, serve with sauce, and label as reheated. Alternatively, thinly slice and use in sandwiches to mask dryness.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.